Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp as a startup. As a startup, you may have many challenges that come in your way, but using ClickUp as a startup can really boost your productivity, and literally from day one. It can help you transform your startup's workflow with ClickUp's all-in-one platform that can also allow you to streamline all your projects, centralize your communication, and scale efficiently from your first hire to your 100th. The first thing you need to do is establish your team's central command center for any projects, tasks, goals, and real-time communication. This is your workspace that becomes a single source of truth. You need to structure your work intuitively using spaces for departments, folders for projects, lists for workflows, and tasks for actionable items, mirroring your startup's unique organization. Keep everyone aligned with threaded comments, instant notifications, collaborative documents, and at mentions that ensures that there's no message that gets lost. Then you need to tailor your workflows with custom fields, multiple views. This could include a list, a board, a calendar, a Gantt, and their powerful click apps. Then set up automations to eliminate repetitive work. This really will save lots of time and ultimately lots of money. Access ClickUp's university's free tutorials, live webinars, and expert coaching sessions to onboard your team quickly and build confidence fast.